Good evening, folks. This is Ankur here, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Technical Analysis, The Unbiased View. So, today's video is going to be a, a detailed focus on tomorrow's session, that is 17th of May 2021. To start the presentation, I would like to highlight few points which happened over the weekend and on the Friday session. A good sell-off we have seen uh, in across the stocks or most of the sector. So when I was going through with all the FNO stocks, uh, a good bearish candle, and the critical point was that few of them have settled at the support junction and few of them have settled below the support junction. So after the Friday sell-off and a little weakness what we have been seeing in the charts for most of the stocks except a couple of sectors, uh, this week I in my personal view is going to be very critical. If it goes sideways, then that's a different thing, but if it they bounce back from the support junction, that's a good. So we can have a clear picture. Or if they broke the support junction, then also we'll have a clear picture. Unless they are on the sideways channel on the support junction, that is pretty dicey. So that is something which we have to look upon. With respect to that scenario, in my view, this week is quite critical. We have seen a huge sell-off of by FIIs on Friday, which was 2,600 crores. Uh, so after all the activities with respect to the FIIs and their net long position and the sell-off what we have seen, right? Hopefully we could have a pullback day on Monday, right? We'll have to see how global conditions are there, and if there is no global weakness as such, then we can see a good pullback on Monday. Uh, this week, as I told you, and my consideration is a very critical with respect to the price action, because where the stocks have taken a closing is very critical, because 50-70% of the stocks have closed at the support junction. So that's there. And yes, with respect to the corona, we have seen a decline since we have seen the peak above 4 lakh plus now. The latest data of yesterday says that 3 lakh 12,000 around. So we have seen a good 1 lakh kind of a dip from the peak. So that's there. So begin the video, I'm showing you a Bank Nifty futures chart. This is Bank Nifty futures chart. So Bank Nifty closed at 32,265. So it completed a week. Now it closed on a very critical junction. Very critical junction, as I have been discussing with you on my channel. Intersection, intersection, and intersection. And you can see it has closed exactly on the intersection. So it is very unclear whether it is going to break the symmetrical triangle along with the intersection of the horizontal band, right? And it has created a very confusing candlestick pattern. However, going by the levels, the Bank Nifty closed at 32,265. The next support, immediate support to the Bank Nifty available is at 31,830. So any fresh weakness per se on Monday or during the week, the first support and the stoppage should be at 31,830, and vice versa. If it is a pullback day tomorrow, then in that scenario tomorrow we should see a resistance in the Bank Nifty at 32,908. In case if you see a closing above 32,908, you can do BTST, or else if it closed below 32,908, you can judge by looking at the price action by 320, 325. You can plan the trade accordingly, because if it settles below 32,908, then surely that signs out that there is a resistance, and it the next day, which is Tuesday, there might be again a reversal day. As far as the series is concerned, we have completed almost 50% of the month. So for the remaining month, for the series, the strong resistance is 33,585 along with the Gann wave 3 bar 1. So that is the picture with respect to Bank Nifty. I have mentioned the levels. You can take the screenshot. Now quickly jumping to the Nifty's futures chart. So this is Nifty futures charts May series. So as you can see, I have mentioned few points which you can take a screenshot, and for your convenience you can have a look. The first channel, the first channel for Nifty 50 is 14,766 to 14,657. Nifty 50 happened to close at 14,714 on Friday, right? So from where it closed, the first channel is 14,766 is the resistance and 14,657 is the support. It closed at 14,714. Correct? So that is the first channel. That is the first picture in front of us. Now, there could be two scenarios, either a breakout or a breakdown, right? A breakout from the resistance or breakdown from the support. In case there is a breakout from the resistance, which is 14,766, the next resistance available to Nifty is 14,897. And in case there is a breakdown from the channel, and the breakdown will happen from 14657, if the Nifty closes below 14657, the next immediate support available is at 14470, right? For the series, the remaining 15 days, the remaining 2 weeks of the month, the series strong resistance is 59,029 with double top at the price action and double top at the RSI. As you can see here, I have demarcated for your convenience, and you can see this for the price action is concerned. There is a double top at this place, and you can see here and here as well, right? So 15,029 happens to be a strong resistance uh, for the remaining series. People can sell 15,000 or 1550 or 1500 15,100 kind of a call around that, and they can enjoy the decay of the premium for the remaining 2 weeks. We need a strong fundamental reason to close and to go above 15,029 for the May series, right? So this was the view with respect to Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now coming to the stock, I mean, I previously thought not to give any stock as such because it's quite confusing, very confusing. So I have selected a couple of stocks for you. So first to go with HCL Technologies. Uh, the reason I've chosen HCL Technologies is because I wanted to have a very safe bet for Monday, so that based on a price action on Monday, we can have some idea what we're going to uh, go ahead with for the remaining week till the weekly expiry. So the HCL Technologies is on a sideways channel, a good sideways channel, and the support for the sideways channel is 899. So you can get a support. You can stay invested in HCL Technology. You can come in fresh tomorrow, and you can stay invested in HCL Technology until and unless it closes below 899, because there only I see some kind of a weakness in the chart, and the ATR for the stock is 20, right? So if you come in fresh tomorrow, if you happen to see a stock going touching somewhere close to 900, 905, 902, 899, 895, you can start buying on the bits and parts, and you can hopefully target 910, 915, 920 kind of a target. Or for the week, if you want to buy a call option or something, you can buy at the money call option and stay invested until unless it holds 899 on a closing basis. On a closing basis, if it closes below 899, then time to come out of HCL Technologies. Uh, the another stock is Hindustan Unilever. So Hindustan Unilever is a very interesting chart. It has created an inverted head and shoulder, not only in the price action but on the RSI also, and it created a tweezer type kind of a candlestick pattern. The highest unwinding we have seen in the call option is around at 2400, and a very less fresh put writing, and there is a resistance, small resistance of 21 EMA on the tweezer candlestick pattern. So if there is a breakout above 23,885, 2385, 2385, if the price goes up above 2385, you can go ahead for the buy in HUL. And during the market, in the running market, if the stock opens below 2385, and in the running market if it goes as above 2385, you can buy. Or if it opens tomorrow at above 2385, and by 9:20, 9:25, if open is equal to low, you can still go ahead. But again, I'm reminding you, if the stock opens more than 2%, forget it, don't get it into the trade, right? So these were the two stocks, HCL, HUL, Nifty, and Bank Nifty. They were these are the four stocks which I have suggested you. So have a look, trade less tomorrow, because maybe I would say trade less by Monday, Tuesday, because most of the stocks have shown a good sell off, and they have stopped, they have closed on a very critical junction. So let's see how market shape ups from here. Hopefully, if global supports, then we can see a good consecutive pullback days. So in those pullback days, you can play in HCL Technologies. It's a good option. I think HCL is a very good option. If you can go stay invested until and it closes below 899, then come out. So yeah, these are the view pertaining to Bank Nifty, Nifty, Hindustan Unilever, and HCL Technologies. Do subscribe, do share if you find it valuable with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep watching technical analysis, the unbiased view.